Welcome back, guys. Today my wife ordered a ladder for the pool. She didn't want me to use the other ladder we had, so she didn't want me to cut that one nice, but I think I can use it. But she wanted to order another one, so just came out of this box. Ladder like 200 some ladder, $200 some ladder. So I'm gonna show you unbox this ladder and how to put it in. So it's always good to have some kind of tool like these to help put something like that together. What's going on in the box is that we got this is one whole piece. You got two pieces, then you got this piece right here. All you do is like bend it and snap it in. Buddy. Look at you. Huh? Yeah. You got this one piece. You got this piece. You got this piece. Become one. And you bend it. And you snap it in here like that. Snaps out in. Take this piece. This. Let's line them up. Guys, and you got these two pieces. Put them together and screw them together. You got this this piece right here. Gotta slide to that. Then just move over there. Put rock and stuff like that in here. I'm gonna go and put some sand. I got plenty of sand. So they'll wait. Just wait and let it down. I'm gonna put some sand in this. With the sand, so I'm gonna put some sand in this. I'm gonna put some sand into the ladder to weight it down. This is the area of my house. Got a big tree. Got a lot area of my yard. this big tree got a lot of leaves, and I gotta rake these leaves up. And yesterday, my wife saw, guess what this is? It's snakes shed. So there's a snake around there somewhere. He don't look big, but he's a snake. So I gotta rake all these leaves up, make sure that where the kid play, and clean this area out. So no snake around here. If it's poison, I might kill it. But I'm gonna be on a hunt for him. I don't want to kill him, but my kid comes first, right? So now I'm gonna get some sand. I reckon that's enough. All right, here you go. Put some sand in here. Make the weight down. There you go. Let me finish this up. I'll come back in a bit. This funnel is too little too small, so I'll cut it. I cut it out. And this whole little bigger. Will fit. Will help me go faster with the sand. I don't know why I didn't put a little weight in the bottom there. I ain't gonna worry about it. I got plenty of sand. That's how I do that, plenty of sand. About a truckload, 2 truckloads I think. I can do the rest of the sand. There you go. Got everything in place. Now just put it in the pool. These are shorter screws right there, guys. Let's do it. Now these, screw up your deck for fastening it. Depending on your deck size, you might have, to cut to adjust this, stuff like that. So that's here we are. Now for installation into the pool, what we're gonna put over there. I don't know what all these holes for. Some kind of another rail or something. All right, I don't know. There it is. So the 2 I use. Get any more bearings. Cut this noodle over here. project put on there. It's eggs. Okay. That way it protect the pool liner. Everything's it. Oops. Oh. Then gotta do a zip tie it, drill some hole, do some zip tie. All right, it's good to keep all the screw of any process you bought and an extra screw, you save them. You know, that can help you a lot. And this is products of the ladder. I have to put some sand in, put it in. Of course, they never get, apparently these companies don't give you any extra at all. I'm missing some too as well, so guys, be careful with those. And you do happen to drop some when you walk on the deck, and it's you got all these cracks and stuff like that, so that's bad too, so be really careful. Otherwise, you know, I think the ladder's really good for the price. See, I have to use another washer right here, but it turned out pretty good. Turned out good, okay. It's 30, yeah, I mean, it's good enough, right? There you go. Edge protection right there, so that's it for this video on this ladder. My next project right there is putting a table together. After that, I clean the yard over there with all the leaves. What else? What other project my wife had me done? I still haven't started my garden yet. Shoot. So much stuff to do. Well, I need some vegetables this year, so I gotta grow my garden, get my garden going. So, finished that yesterday. I forgot to do the unbox on that Bauer pressure washer. I'll probably do that later today. Trying to unbox the video. And I got like VinylWorks pressure washer. I bought it 2-3 years ago, and suddenly yesterday it doesn't work, so I had to go with the Harbor Freight buy another pressure washer. It's a Bauer 2000 PSI, which is like cleaning back yesterday. But I will do that video next when I have time. You see that? It's right here. Pressure washer. And there was an old one right here. That was good, but it lasts for 2 years, 3 years. I must left it outside. So, and it stopped, but it won't do anything. So, that one. Got that project good, little area. But I put the table on. We got boy's birthday party tomorrow. So, I gotta get this stuff done today. I got work too, so alright. Next video, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a comment. Alright? Good or bad, doesn't matter. You know, love you anyway. Bye.
Bye.